Would you believe me if I told you this beautiful rack of ribs was made on a portable, compact, battery-operated pellet smoker? Well, now you'll have to. This company called ASMOKE reached out to me and wanted to send me their new ASMOKE Essential portable pellet grill slash smoker. I'm a big fan of camping and fishing and doing all these things, and it would be great if I had a nice portable grill that I could use like pellets for, instead of like lugging around big bags of charcoal or wood, just for the sake of ease of use. I want to thank the sponsor of this video, ASMOKE, for sending us the ASMOKE Essential pellet grill. So I want to test out its capabilities by smoking a nice rack of spare ribs. And you know, at the end of the video, you can be the judge if this is something for you. And at least at the end of the video, you'll be left with a recipe for delicious spare ribs. Also, make sure to click down in the description box below. I'm gonna put a link to the ASMOKE website. That way you can check out their whole product line, along with any specs that you are curious about. They'll have all their information listed on their website. Let me introduce you guys to the ASMOKE Essential portable pellet grill, and then let's go make some ribs. At first glance, the ASMOKE Essential is a beautiful piece of equipment, but what really draws me in is the big digital touchscreen display. It's in 720p and it is massive. You can see all your information displayed all in one spot: time, temperature, everything. But I'll get more into the grill as we're cooking these ribs. I'm gonna trim these spare ribs. You can save all this trim for either sausage or smoke them alongside the ribs and use them for chopped barbecue sandwiches. The next step, some people like to remove the membrane underneath, some people don't. It's all up to you. Trim the excess fat and you're left with a beautiful rack of spare ribs. Now I'm using mustard as a binder, and I'm using one of my favorite barbecue rubs, but at the end of the day, use whatever you like to do. Just make sure that every single area of the rib is covered in rub. Do this step at least 1 hour up to overnight. Now I'm filling up this 5-pound hopper, the ASMOKE Applewood pellets that they gave me, and then the battery source. This thing will give you 10 hours of cook time. It only takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and it goes into a little slot on the right hand side. Push it in till it clicks, all the lights will light up, the ASMOKE will turn on. Another cool thing about this battery is you can leave it plugged in and have continuous cooking. To ignite your pellets, crank the temperature up to 390, swipe to ignite, and you're ready to go. The ASMOKE comes with some presets for beef, pork, lamb, chicken, different cooking temperatures. Another cool thing is you can program your own thing. So whatever you love to cook, if it's not in here, you can program it. One thing that I found out is that you can connect this to Wi-Fi or even hotspot on your phone to control it through the ASMOKE app. And after just a few minutes, we got smoke coming out the back, so that is a good sign. And underneath we have an ashtray and also a water tray. Now ASMOKE says you can use any kind of flavored liquid in there to impart a little bit more flavor into what you're cooking. I love these two locking tabs on the side, which keeps the lid from opening up if you're transporting it. The temperature is ready. We're going to be smoking these ribs at 250 Fahrenheit. Now it does come with 2 temperature probes that you can input into these probe outlets right here, and you can set the internal temperature for whatever you're looking for, whatever you're cooking. Since I'm doing ribs, I'm not going to need it. And now it's time to place the ribs and the rib tips on the grill for an hour. Now how much cooking surface do I have? A lot more than its top 2 competitors. And like I said earlier in the video, I will link a description to their website so you can check out all the specs. First hour is up, alarm's going off. I'm just gonna reset the time for another hour. Temperature is within range. Bark looks really nice. I'm gonna give this a spritz of apple cider vinegar and water. Reset the time for another hour, and then an hour later, really nice and tacky. Temperature is maintained at 250. I'm probing this at 181. I'm gonna give this a wrap. Brown sugar, honey, butter, a little bit of rub, meat side down, a little treatment on the bottom side, same thing. And I'm gonna wrap this up, and it's gonna go back onto the pellet smoker for another hour. Once it hit 200 degrees, I pulled it off the smoker and let it rest for 30 minutes, and look at how beautiful these ribs turned out. Now, if you want to add some barbecue sauce, add it. If not, don't. But this is gonna go back on the smoker for about another 30 to 40 minutes to get the sauce nice and tacky. Once again, the controls are very beautiful. And then look at our ribs. Super gorgeous. You can't argue with the results. Let's bring this inside and see what we got here. Look at that. Nice smoke ring, juicy. This is what I wanted to eat. Sorry, I have sauce all over my fingers. If you don't want sauce on your ribs, don't add sauce on your ribs. Let's see what the bite is like. This is a perfect rib. Still has the bite. Not fall off the bone. Like competition style. Yeah. Perfect bite. Juicy. Tender. And the ASMOKE, it kept its temperature 250 all day long. That's what pellet smokers are designed to do, right? Just basically set it and forget it. This is perfect for tailgating, camping, fishing. This is amazing. Portable, lightweight, does the job. If you really want a video, there's another YouTuber. I will link his video down below where he unboxed the whole ASMOKE Essential grill and put her all together and did his first burn. And as far as how much pellets were being used today, because it's such a small smoker, it did not use a lot. I mean, I think I still had about 2/3 left of what I poured into the hopper. Again, I want to thank the people at ASMOKE for sending me this pellet grill. It was an amazing experience. It was pretty fun. At the end of the day, I'm left with some delicious, sticky ribs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Click like and subscribe. Take care of yourselves. And as always, peace.